The United States Air Force depended upon one firm to manufacture its 270 VDC power supply for the F-22 Raptor. That firm is FCX Systems. In 1999, the engineering staff from Edwards Air Force Base in Southern California distributed an inquiry. They needed a power supply for a 270 VDC military aircraft. This was not a normal 270 VDC. It required a fast, dynamic response with excellent voltage regulation. Simply stated, they needed a power supply that was as technically advanced as the new fighter jet. 11 manufacturers submitted systems. All 11 were unsuccessful in passing the Lockheed Iron Bird Vehicle System Simulator. FCX Systems, specialists in solid-state frequency converters and ground power support, was invited to Edwards and presented with the challenge. They started designs on the flight home, and the project continued as a priority until completion. The FCX unit was airshipped to Lockheed Martin's Vehicle System Simulator in Fort Worth, Texas. After passing stringent test parameters, the unit was subjected to undisclosed tests, confidential tests, and passed. The FCX unit was cleared for the existing test program as well as non-disclosed future programs. The same unit was airshipped to Edwards Air Force Base, installed, and commissioned for the first F-22 of the test program. Today, FCX not only builds the 270 VDC power supply for the F-22, FCX also builds 270 VDC supplies for the emerging F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, and a special multifunctional model supplies the F-35 assembly lines around the globe. They call it the Beast.